sixth graders, this is Mrs. Prouty, and this is where you went to class last year. We're very excited to show you where you're going to go next year. So when you come in the door, now you'll be in the middle school hallway. Middle school hallway is just like the elementary, except instead of a desk, you get a locker. Everybody will get their own locker. You'll be right next to your friends. Like a desk, only it's shaped way differently. You'll get a lock, and you'll have to learn how to work the lock, but we'll help you with that. First room here is Miss Shay Schmitz. She is our new reading teacher. And the rooms aren't looking really great right now because they are all messed up from us cleaning, but they're clean, just disorganized. This is Mrs. Jacobson's room. She's our resource teacher. Then we have Mrs. Willis's room, your science teacher. You'll have science with her for 3 years. This is Mr. Kelly's room, social studies teacher. And I'm going to walk all the way down here. That's a closet, don't worry about it. This is Mrs. Mrs. Boland's room. She is your math teacher. And then Ms. Weidevin's room, you'll have her for English. Then if you keep going, you'll notice you get to the cafeteria, and that's right where you always have eaten lunch, except for last year. We know last year was a little odd. So I hope this helps start you out for your next school year. See ya in September.